Hi guys, it is now the 5th day of October, so the 5th day of 31 Days of Halloween, and as you can see, I'm creating this deer look today. It's actually pretty easy, so if you want to just see how I created it and maybe create it yourself, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already have this side done as always, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Best Year Ever palette, or this is called like the some Boss palette or something. But first I'm going to be taking the shade Chocolate Soleil. It is the bronzer in the palette. And that is also what I'm going to be using to bronze my face later on. So we're just going to put that all over the crease. I'm just using like a regular fluffy brush for this. Now I'm going to take the shade Don't Give a Fudge with this smaller blending brush here and just add that to like the outer half of my lid. And then I'm going to take the bigger blending brush and just use that to help blend that color out. And now on my finger, I'm going to be taking the shade I Want It All, which is just like a regular light colored brown with sparkles in it. Now I'm just putting that all over the first half of the lid. And then I'm just adding more of that dark brown. Now I'm going to dip into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and taking the shade Cypress Umber on that same brush, just getting a tiny bit, just because it is a darker brown, and putting that in the outer corner. Alright, and that is it for the eyes for now. That was pretty easy, so I'm just going to do my base makeup and I'll just be right back. Okay, so I now have this eye basically completely done. And on this eye, well, on both of them, I just took the bronze shade and the dark brown shade and added it to the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take this Scandal Eyes eyeshadow stick in white. And I'm just going to add that to my inner corner and a little bit over this way and a little bit up, which you'll be able to see like it is on this eye. And then I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to take the shade Vermeer and take that on my finger and just put that over on the inner corner of that. Now I'm going to take this felt tip liner and I'm going to make a corner right here, or like a point right here like it is on this side, and then go all the way under and connect it to this. I know it probably sounds complicated, but I don't really know how else to explain it, but it's really not complicated. And then I'm going to take this little angled brush here and go into the shade Cypress Umber and then just go right on top of that black. Alright, so that is it for the eyes for now. I'm going to go back into that Too Faced palette and take the Chocolate Soleil color, the bronzy shade, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my face. And we're going to like bronze a lot. So don't be scared to just really go into it. Now for the nose, I'm just going to take this little angled brush here and just go on the sides. I'm just sort of working that into my eyeshadow. Now taking this little eyeliner here, this little black eyeliner, I'm going to draw on a black nose just on like the bottom part right here. Then I'm going to color in my top lip with the same eyeliner. If you have black lipstick, you can use that, but I don't have any. And then I'm going to draw a line connecting my nose to my top lip, right in the middle. I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow on my finger and tap that on my top lip and on my nose just to keep that eyeliner in place. And now taking this white eyeliner again, I'm going to make little white dots all over where we are bronzed. I also added some little white eyeliner to my waterline on this eye. I forgot to do it to this eye. Now for mascara and lashes. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.